The railroad method. What is it? It's a simple way to solve an algebraic equation while showing all of your work so you can check over your work easily. What does that mean? Basically, you're going to solve for x. Okay, so how do I do it? Let's say you're given x plus 3 equals 5, solve for x. Although you're thinking in your head like, yeah, I can just do that in my head. That's easy. No, you have to be able to do it the right way. Because as you get older, you'll take more advanced classes and you'll have more hard problems. And these harder problems, you'll have to use this method that we're going to give you. So here's the first step on how you're going to do the railroad method. So first, you're going to write out your equation, which in our case is x plus 3 equals 5. Then you're just going to start off simple and you're going to make two lines, both on the edge of the equal sign, looking like the start of a train track. Alright, so now we need to get x by itself. But how? Well, in math, we have this rule, and it's called the law of equations. We're going to use this rule to our advantage to get x by itself. The law of equations says that what you do to one side of an equation, you have to do to the other. So, let me give you a little example. So, let's subtract 1 from our equation on each side. Alright? So now we have x plus 2 equals 4. That equation is the same thing as x plus 3 equals 5. So in order to get x by itself, we need to do something to both sides. So what could we do in this case? Well, that little 3, if we just subtract the 3 from there, we'd have x by itself, right? So let's just subtract 3. So we're going to use the law of equations, and we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So it looks like this. This is how your work should look. So now we have x plus 0 equals 2. Now we can just take the 0 out. So it looks like we have x by itself now. We have x equals 2. And we also have all of our work shown. So we can always go back and look for our work and show our work. That way, if you mess something up and you're getting a weird answer, you can go back and see what you messed up on. So now you can see the railroad starting to form. Once you get into more advanced math, you'll have more equal signs, creating a bigger railroad. Hence the name, the railroad method.